Hello and welcome to our beginners guide to learning web development. In this video, we will cover the basics of web development, including what it is, the tools and the technologies you need to get started, and some tips for success. What is web development? Web development is the process of creating websites and web applications. It involves a range of skills, including coding, design, and project management. The goal of web development is to create a website that is functional, user friendly, and visually appealing. Tools and technologies you need to get started. To start learning web development, you need a computer with internet access and a web browser. You will also need a code editor, which is software that allows you to write, edit, and save code. There are many code editors to choose from, including Visual Studio Code, Sublime Text, and Atom. You will also need to learn some programming languages such as HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Start with the basics. Before diving into complex coding concepts, start by learning the basics of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. These languages form the foundation of web development and will help you understand more advanced concepts later on. Practice regularly. Consistent practice is key to mastering web development. Set aside time as the week to work on coding projects, and don't be afraid to experiment and try new things. Use online resources. There are many online resources available to help you learn web development, including tutorials, courses, and forums. Some popular resources include Codecademy, Udemy, and Stack Overflow. Build projects. One of the best ways to learn web development is by building projects. Start with simple projects such as creating a basic website or designing a form, and gradually work your way up to more complex projects. Learn web development can seem daunting, but with the right tools and mindset, anyone can become a skilled web developer by starting with the basics, practicing regularly, using online resources, and building projects. You can develop the skills and knowledge needed to creating amazing websites and web applications.